I'm so thrilled to announce that we've finally launched the marketplace on Atomic Fusion, and I'd love to take you through it. So here's how you do it. So if you're a user, if you're a buyer, for example, you're gonna want to go to the marketplace here, and that's where you're gonna see all the UI kits available for sale. So on this view here, you'll see all the assets from the UI kits. You'll have a buy kit option here. You can also navigate to the UI kits section where you'll see all the UI kits themselves, and then you can pick the one that you like and you can buy them. So before you go into buying something, you can of course for example click on a UI kit, and it'll take you to the UI kits page where you can go through the details. You can see a preview. You can make sure that this is what you're looking for. Look at all the assets that this UI kit contains. On the README, you're going to find everything from where the idea for this UI kit came up for the seller, why they're selling it, what use cases they intend their users to use it in. So if you're a buyer, you will get an idea of where you can use it from here, and also if there are any plugins required and if there's a preview available. So all of that stuff comes in here. So this section here is to make sure that you know exactly what you're buying before you actually pull out your wallet and pay for it. So now let me take you through the process of actually buying something. So if I head over to the UI kits, these are all test kits right now. I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. And I can say I like this UI kit here. I'm going to click on buy kit. This is going to tell me exactly what buying a kit means. So essentially it is you're buying a license for the use of this kit from the seller, and Atomic Fusion is facilitating that. The license is going to let you use this UI kit and all the assets it contains for your own websites, your own bubble apps, as well as in case you want to build something for a client, you can go ahead and use this. So you hit proceed, then you pick where you're from. I'm gonna say that I'm from the US, for example, and then I'm gonna check out. So now the checkout is going to take me to another page. This is handled by our payment partner, and this is going to be where you put in all your bank, your card details, essentially. All right, and I'm going to pay. So I'm actually buying another listing by SN. This is a test UI kit right here. So SN is the username of the creator, the seller of this kit. Okay, so I'm going to be checking out. It's going to take me to a confirmation page, and once that confirmation is done, it's going to appear in my purchases. So my purchases is going to contain all the UI kits that I have purchased. So now I can go ahead and fork it as usual. So the purchase of the UI kit actually let me buy a license and then unlock it for forking. And so I can fork here, and I can just continue to use it as normal. So I hit fork all. It's going to appear in my forks. Yeah, another listing. That was it. So it says premium. This is the one that I just bought, and now I can go ahead and use this in my Bubble editor on my Bubble apps with the Atomic Fusion extension. So that's basically how you can buy a UI kit and then fork it to actually use it in your Bubble development. Can't wait to see what new kits sellers upload onto the marketplace, and I really hope you like the stuff that you find there. You can always comment, you can always send us suggestions and feedback on email, and you can always DM me on Twitter, and we're always improving Atomic Fusion, so looking forward to that. Happy bubbling.